Welcome to the Honest Auto Reviews. First, I need one like in this video. Please support me. The 2025 GMC Savana 3500 may not be flashy, but it gets the job done, plain and simple. This full-size work van has stuck to its roots, focusing on utility, durability, and getting you and your gear from point A to B without fuss. Under the hood, the Savana 3500 gives you a few solid options. The standard 4.3-liter V6 is capable enough for lighter loads, but most buyers will lean toward the 6.6-liter V8, which cranks out 401 horsepower and 464 lb-ft of torque. It's paired with a heavy-duty 6-speed automatic transmission, and the IDD result is strong pulling power, perfect for hauling tools, cargo, or even towing a trailer. Step inside, and yeah, it's not luxury, but it's practical. Durable vinyl or cloth seating, easy-to-clean surfaces, and plenty of storage compartments. The infotainment system is basic but functional, with a 7-inch touchscreen, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Where the Savana really shines is in its capability. The 3500 model offers a payload capacity of over 4,000 pounds and a towing capacity north of 10,000, depending on configuration. That makes it a reliable workhorse for contractors, delivery fleets, or anyone needing serious utility. It's a rear-wheel drive, set up by default, and while it won't win points for handling or ride comfort, it feels planted and stable even under load. There's no fancy adaptive suspension here. It's old school, and that's kind of the point. Fuel economy isn't a highlight. Expect somewhere around 13 to 15 mpg combined, depending on the engine. But if you're looking at this van, you're buying for function, not efficiency. The 2025 GMC Savana 3500 might not turn heads, but it's built for those who need a reliable, tough, no-nonsense commercial vehicle. If you want modern tech and a plush interior, look elsewhere. But if you want something that works as hard as you do, this van still earns its keep.